kini siya humot.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. For today's video guys, we will walk together. This place guys, you see the light of corn, it's very nice. And then some people walking also here too much. The handsome boy, too much. The manluloko man, too much also guys. Guys, this lady beautiful light guys. She have race also guys. Smile. So dahil bukas guys panghapon kami, naglakad-lakad ang mga person.
Yung pareho kaming schedule tatlo.
Bukas na lang
Kita!
mamahalin sabay sa
Wala, namatay ng
paglalang
yata.
ng ating mga puso.
Pabadlong man dek. Mang ganda mo dito mo.
Bukas na lang kita.
Ay, wow, pinakurog. Hi to my two mother out there.
Guys, sa February uwi na ako guys.
Mangiiwan na yung nanay ko. Iiwan na nila ako mag-isa.
Ang hirap kasi ako